Hello, children. Today, we're going to talk about a wonderful poem called Roadways. Imagine a road that stretches far and wide, taking you on exciting adventures to new places. This poem, written by John Masefield, is all about the magic of roads, how they twist and turn, leading us to amazing destinations like forests, mountains, or even the sea. It's like a journey in words, where the poet shares his love for traveling and exploring. So, let's get ready to walk down these roadways with our imagination and see where they take us. Are you excited to learn more? One road leads to London. This line tells us about a road that goes to a big, busy city called London. Imagine a path winding through fields, leading to a place full of tall buildings and bustling streets. London is far away, and it sounds exciting. One road leads to Wales. Now, there's another road that takes you to Wales, a land with green hills and cozy villages. Picture walking along a path where you might see sheep grazing or hear people singing in a different language. Wales is another special place. My road leads me seawards. Here, the poet says his road is different. It's taking him toward the sea. Imagine a path that stretches toward the ocean, where you can smell the salty air and hear the waves crashing. The poet loves this road best. To the white dipping sails. This line paints a picture of boats with white sails bobbing up and down on the water. The sails look like they are dancing with the waves, guiding the poet toward adventure on the sea. Can you see those sails in your mind? One road leads to the river. Now we hear about a road that goes to a calm, flowing river. Imagine a gentle stream sparkling under the sun, winding slowly through the countryside. It's peaceful and quiet. And it goes singing slow. The river seems to hum a soft, slow song as it flows. Close your eyes and think of water gurgling over rocks, like it's whispering a little tune. Isn't that lovely? My road leads to shipping. The poet's road, though, doesn't stop at the river. It goes to where ships are. These are big boats ready to sail across the ocean. Imagine huge ships docked at a harbor, waiting for their next journey. Where the bronzed sailors go. This line introduces sailors with suntanned, bronzed skin, ready to sail. The seas. Picture strong sailors with weathered faces, laughing and working on their ships, ready for adventure. They are brave, aren't they? Leads me, lures me, calls me. The poet feels his road is calling him, almost like it's whispering his name. It's pulling him towards something exciting. Imagine a path that feels alive, begging you to follow it. Doesn't that sound thrilling? To salt green tossing sea. It means this road is leading to the wild, green ocean, where waves toss and turn. Picture a sparkling sea, sometimes calm, sometimes wild, with salty water splashing everywhere. It's calling the poet to explore it. A road without Earth's road dust, it means. The poet loves this sea road because it's not dusty like regular roads on land. Instead, it's clean and fresh, made of water and waves. Imagine a path that's all sparkly and free of dirt, pretty cool, right? Is the right road for me. The poet says the sea road is perfect for him. It's his special path, the one that makes his heart happy. Everyone has a favorite road, maybe. Yours is a path to a park or a beach. A wet road heaving, shining. Now the poet describes his sea road as wet and shiny, moving up and down with the waves. Picture the ocean glistening under the sun, rolling like a living, breathing thing. It's so alive and wild with seagulls' cries. The sea is full of seagulls, squawking and soaring in the sky. Imagine their loud cries echoing as they fly over the waves. It's a wild, exciting sound, like the sea is singing. A mad salt sea wind blowing. There's a crazy, strong wind blowing from the sea, carrying the salty smell of the ocean. Picture the wind whipping through your hair, full of energy and adventure. It's wild and free. The salt spray in my eyes. The poet feels the salty water from the waves splashing into his eyes. Imagine standing near the ocean, feeling tiny drops of seawater on your face. It stings a little, but it's part of the fun. My road calls me, lures me. Again, the poet feels his road pulling him, like it's saying, come, explore. It's tempting him to go on a big adventure. West, east, south, and north. This road doesn't just go one way, it leads everywhere. North, south, east, west, all directions across the sea. Most roads lead men homewards. The poet says most roads take people back home, to cozy, familiar places. Think of a road that leads to your house, where your family and favorite things are waiting. My road leads me forth. But the poet's road is different. It leads him out into the world, toward new adventures. Instead of going home, he's off to explore. Imagine setting out to see new places. What would you find? To add more miles to the tally. The poet wants to travel farther, adding more miles to his journey. It's like keeping a score of all the places he's been. Think of collecting stickers for every new place you visit. Of grey miles left behind. These grey miles are the roads he's already traveled, maybe dusty or ordinary. He's leaving them behind for something more exciting. Picture leaving a boring path for a shiny new one. In quest of that one beauty. The poet is searching for something truly beautiful, something special that he feels he was meant to find. Imagine looking for a treasure, like a sparkling gem or a perfect sunset. God put me here to find. The poet believes he was created to find this beauty, like it's his purpose. It's like each of us has something special to discover in life. What beauty would you love to find, children?
ಹಾಯ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವು ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡಿ ಆಟ ಆಡುವುದು ಇಷ್ಟವೇ? ಇದೀಗ ಒಂದು ಸುಂದರ ಕವಿತೆಯ ಕತೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಜಾನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಸ್ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅವರ ರೋಡ್ವೇಸ್ ಕವಿತೆ. ಇದು ರಸ್ತೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆಗಳಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆ ಕೊಡುವ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಾಹಸಗಳು. ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದು ರಸ್ತೆ ಲಂಡನ್ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಲ್ಲುತ್ತದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಸಿರು ಬೆಟ್ಟಗಳ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದು ರಸ್ತೆ ನದಿಯಂತೆ ಗಾನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕವಿಯ ರಸ್ತೆ? ಅದು ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಕಡೆಗೆ. ಬಿಳಿ ಅಲೆಗಳು ಅಮರೆಗಳಂತೆ ಉದ್ದನ್ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತವೆ, ಕಪ್ಪು ಕಪ್ಪಲುಗಳು ಓಡಾಡುತ್ತವೆ. ಉಪ್ಪಿನ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಂದು ಕೂಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾ, ಸಾಹಸ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೆಯಿಂದ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತದೆ, ಹೃದಯವನ್ನು ತಡೆಯಲಾರದಂತೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಕವಿತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತದೆ, ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ರಸ್ತೆಗಳಿವೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತ, ಕೆಲವು ರೋಮಾಂಚಕ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರಸ್ತೆಯನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀರಿ? ಸಮುದ್ರದಂತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕನಸುಗಳ ರಸ್ತೆಯನ್ನೇ? ಓದಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗಿನ ಸಾಹಸಿ ಎಬ್ಬಿಸಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಸ್ತೆ ಏನು? ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ.